Hey guys, sorry I have the window open and the fan going. Who is getting summer weather, getting warm out? Just got home. I just rushed to get the mail. Mama just got here a few minutes ago, so I checked. Um, we've been bad. I've been bad, I should say, of not checking the mail. So I checked the mail and then I went back inside and then I saw the mail and run downstairs to get my box. So I'm going to do my May box for Birchbox. So let's get started because it's so pretty. Look at this, so spring and summery. Gorgeous. Alright. And that's very, very bright and matte kind of texture. Anyways, this is what I got. Let's get started. Woo, pretty tissue paper. Alright. Okay, so I have a hair treatment or you can leave it in either way. It helps repairs hair damage, so this is great for me. This is the sample I picked for my box. So this is a full size. It's $28 and I love this brand. I started with this brand, so I love getting some other things from the other brands that I usually get all the time, which is nice. Okay, next I have the Body Shop Ginger Scalp Shampoo. Full size is $11, which is not bad because I'm definitely going to get more of this because this is meant for me. So helps with dry and flaky scalp. For me, because I'm half black. I have dandruff, and so my scalp gets really dry, flaky, itchy, all that stuff, and it just gets dirty so fast after a wash. So this helps with anti-dandruff shampoo, gently wash away loose flakes, helps smooth your scalp while with ginger smell. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. I like the size, so I'm definitely, if I like it, I'm definitely gonna get the full size because it's not bad price for $11. Okay, for this next one I have in my hand is Balance Me. It's a BHA exfoliating. I hope you understand what I just said because I ain't gonna repeat myself. This helps this guy here. Pretty packaging. Helps with removes dead skin cells. Okay, dead skin cells. Redness. Redness, blemishes. Improve hydration, brightening skin, all that good stuff. It says apply to skin. Apply on face. Let it dry before applying the next step. Oh. So if you get this, you also have to get the next step. Okay. Wherever that is. Anyways, this sounds cool. It really does. It's clean. It's vegan. It says right here. Pretty. But the price is not. Full size is $37.50, which is very expensive. Okay, next I have this their real magnet mascara. It's just like this, and then it shows this. Anyways, for this, let's see, where am I? The Lakely mascara. The full size is $27. So I don't need any more mascara, so I'm giving this to my sister. I like to share with my sister. And her daughter didn't want to, split the stuff. Alright, last thing is a eyeliner in the color Espresso. It's pretty brown right here at the end. Um, full size full size of this is $11.99. So yeah, let's just carefully open this. Whoa. So it's just like that. So yep, I'm gonna put that in the box because I have a box for my sister. Alright, and that's it I have for today in my box. I hope you guys like it, what I got. I didn't get much. I just have 3 things that I'm very liking and I want. So yeah. Sorry if I talk too fast. A little tired. So yeah. I hope you guys like what I got for my monthly Birchbox for this month. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Love you.